Richmond Park, the largest of London's royal parks, covers approximately 2,500 acres of ancient woods, rolling hills, and vast grasslands. Originally created by King Charles I in the 17th century as a royal hunting ground, it is now a national nature reserve and a sanctuary for wildlife. The park's most iconic feature is its herd of over 600 red and fallow deer, which have roamed freely for centuries. Visitors can also enjoy panoramic views of London from King Henry's Mound, where St. Paul's Cathedral is visible through a historic telescope view. Whether for a peaceful walk, cycling, or photography, Richmond Park offers a unique escape into the wild heart of the capital. Richmond Park is one of my favorite places in London. It is famous for its wide open spaces, peaceful atmosphere, and beautiful wildlife. Whenever I visit the park, I feel relaxed and refreshed. The park is especially well known for its deer. Sometimes I can see them walking slowly across the grass, and they always look calm and elegant. I enjoy taking photos of them from a safe distance. In spring and summer, the trees and flowers make the whole park look colorful and full of life. In autumn, the golden leaves create a warm and magical scene. Richmond Park is also a great place for outdoor activities. People like to cycle, jog, walk their dogs, or simply sit on the grass and enjoy the sunshine. I often go there with my friends for a picnic. We talk, laugh, and enjoy the fresh air together. To me, Richmond Park is not just a park. It is a place where I can escape from the busy city and reconnect with nature. Every visit reminds me of how important it is to slow down and appreciate the beauty around us.